morning. How are you? It's so nice to have you here with me today. Good morning. How are you? How do you do? Hello, good day. Now that we're together, learning so much fun, the more of us, the better. So come on, everyone. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, children. How are you today? I'm Miss Rubina and welcome to my classroom. Let's begin with circle time. Let's start with the days of the week. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now say along with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now tell me, what day is it today? Yesterday was Wednesday, so today is Thursday. Today is Thursday all day long. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Now let's see the letter of the week. Letter of the week is letter C. Letter of the week is letter C. This is uppercase letter C. This is lowercase letter C. Letter C makes the sound K. Letter C makes the sound K. Now let's see the number of the week. Number of the week is number 3. Number of the week is number 3. Number of the week is number 3. Now let's see the sight word. Sight word is am. Sight word is am. Now let's see the color of the week. Color of the week is blue. Color of the week is blue. Blue is a primary color along with yellow and red. Let's see the pictures. Blue scooter, blue clock, blue bird, blue cap, blue whale, blue umbrella, blue cloud, blue crayon. Now say along with me. Blue scooter, blue clock, blue bird, blue cap, blue whale, blue umbrella, blue cloud, blue crayon. Well done. Now let's see the shape of the week. Shape of the week is triangle. A triangle is a three-sided shape. Now let's see the pictures. Triangle shaped sandwich, triangle shaped pizza slice, triangle shaped flag, triangle shaped hanger, triangle shaped tortilla chip, triangle shaped watermelon slice. Now say along with me. Triangle shaped sandwich, triangle shaped pizza slice, triangle shaped flag, triangle shaped hanger, triangle shaped tortilla chip, triangle shaped watermelon slice. Well done. Now let's say the sounds of letter A, B, C, D. This is letter A. This is uppercase letter A. This is lowercase letter A. Letter A makes the sound A. Letter A makes the sound A. Repeat after me. A. This is uppercase letter B. This is lowercase letter B. Letter B makes the sound B. Letter B makes the sound B. Repeat after me. B. This is uppercase letter C. This is lowercase letter C. Letter C makes the sound K. Letter C makes the sound K. Repeat after me. K. This is uppercase letter D. This is lowercase letter D. Letter D makes the sound D. Letter D makes the sound D. Repeat after me. D. Well done. Now it's time to count 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now say along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. So children, today is Thursday and today in our art and craft session, we are going to learn how to draw a cat and a carrot. Let's go. First, I am drawing a carrot with a black crayon. Make a sleeping line. Now from this point, make a slanting line going down. Now go up, keep your crayon here, make another slanting line. Join both the slanting lines at the bottom. I made a triangle. Now to make the leaves, two slightly curved lines at the top, one short standing line. Now let's make a curved line at the top to form a semicircle. One more curved line at the side, one more, one at the other side, one more, one at the bottom. Wasn't it easy? I am using orange color to color it. Now I am using dark green color to color the leaves. Done. I drew a carrot. Now it's time to draw a cat. First, I'm making a circle with a black crayon. Now I'm drawing two triangles at the top for the ears. One more. Now I will draw two circles for the eyes. Now I am making the eyeballs inside the eyes. Now one triangle for the nose, two curved lines below the nose and a smile. Now I am drawing whiskers on both the sides. Now it's time to draw the body. I am drawing a curved line going down, one more on the other side. Now I will draw two standing lines for the leg. Now on the other side, two more standing lines for the other leg. Now I am drawing the toes. Now make a sleeping line joining both the legs. Now it's time to draw a tail. It's done. Now let's color the cat. I'm using a light brown color to color my cat. It's done. Seek a carrot, seek a cat. I hope you liked today's video and learned how to draw a carrot and a cat. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until then, goodbye.